Products that go viral on TikTok give entrepreneurs a huge opportunity to jump in and make huge sales with them. But if you want to ride the wave of a viral product, you need to be in the know of viral products. Throw that fidget spinner in the trash. Keep watching to learn about the most viral product category on TikTok right now, the products that are best suited for couples, and a bath toy that's taking over the automotive industry. You won't want to miss this.
So Magda, I'm here. You invited me to be part of this viral TikTok video, which I'm really excited about, but I haven't actually seen any of the products that you're gonna show me. So the way that it's gonna work, I think, is you're gonna like set it up. I'll try to guess it, and then we're gonna try to find these TikToks that maybe prove why the product is doing so well. Does that work?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Okay, Jessica, the first product I have for you is a soft light product.
When you say soft light, do you mean like romantic lighting, or do you mean that's how I think about, like candlelight?
Not exactly like candlelight. Like the product is actually a soft light. Like you would be able to grab it. And it's actually a dinosaur light.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's like a plush dinosaur with a light in the middle.
That's pretty much it, yeah. It's a white dinosaur that's actually a soft plush, and whenever you hit it or squeeze it, it actually changes into different colors. Okay, so this next product, Jessica, you've actually probably already seen it before. It's actually been something that we've recommended selling on Oberlo, but it's been making huge waves on TikTok.
Okay. Whenever you say we've recommended it before, I always think of dog beds. Is it a dog bed?
It's not a dog bed.
Okay.
So when I'm talking waves, I mean water. So it is actually a shower head.
What? That's like not a very fun, like compared to the little dino that changed colors, it doesn't seem like there's anything fun about a shower head, especially for TikTok where you have to be entertaining to go viral. How did that happen?
To be honest, it's totally crazy because I would have never expected a shower head to be making waves on TikTok. But this isn't just a regular shower head. So this shower head, when you attach it, it actually has all these little rocks that supposedly clean the water. Now you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Who needs clean water? When
we got it coming out of the faucet.
Let me take that back. Let me take that back. Although you are showering with clean water, what the shower head does is it makes the water a lot softer. So a lot of people in the UK or here in Germany, the water can be very hard, and this shower head actually removes that. The third product that has gone absolutely viral on TikTok that I wanted to talk to you about today, Jessica, and get your reaction to is possibly something that you've used before. It has to do with skincare, and we've definitely talked about this branding company before.
Oh, I know, because you and I have talked about it like off camera. So this is a brand. This is an actual like brand of skincare too?
Yes, and one of their products went viral.
So I love this skincare brand called The Ordinary, and it has this face mask that's dark red, and when you put it on, it looks like you've gone through some kind of like ancient Mesopotamian sacrifice, which basically looks like your face is covered in blood. I don't mean to slander Mesopotamians. I don't know if we want to do that over again. I was like, well, the Mesopotamians aren't really alive anymore. I think they're fair play. Is that the product?
That is the product.
All right. Did you use it?
Yes, I actually do have it in my bathroom right now, and I do use it.
Do you think it works?
Yes, I do think it works, but I also feel like it works because of a placebo effect. So
fair.
I feel like it is a trend, but I feel like when I indulge in trends, that they are working for me.
Yeah, I get that reasoning. And then you and I both also like astrology, so maybe our reasoning is suspect, but
yeah. I really wanted to bring this product to you and see your reaction because ever since the lockdown happened, at-home skincare, at-home spas, at-home, it's not called healthcare.
Self-care.
Self-care, not healthcare.
Self-care, not healthcare. Hashtag 2020. No. Which candidate is running on the self-care, not healthcare platform?
I really wanted to bring your attention because the entire self-care movement has really exploded over the last few months now that we've been home. So even though the Ordinary is not a product that you could sell in your own store or you could drop ship, it doesn't matter because you can sell accessories for it. You can sell products related to it. You can sell products that are in that self-care niche and to this exact audience.
All right, I'm ready to guess the next product.
All right, so this next product, it's actually been around for a number of years, but the teens and kids on TikTok have absolutely taken it and run with it. It's a product that you could probably use for an indoor movie night, let's say.
Indoor movie night. Projector.
It's a mini projector.
Yes. Well, when you said like it's been around for years, I remember this being a really popular product that entrepreneurs would sell a couple years ago. And then you said movie night. And I just thought it's got to be this. Ooh, okay, let me look up a talk. Is that, can I say that? No, the fact that you're laughing means that people definitely don't say talk. So I'll search mini projector and go to hashtags, mini projector. Wow, lots of, oh, I kind of like this trippy. Oh, but here's a cool use, Magda. This TikTok influencer is using his projector to create really cool photos.
Okay, Jessica, are you ready for the next product?
I'm ready for the next product.
This product, I will be honest, is probably not going to be a surprise for you, and it's definitely not going to get a surprise reaction.
I've guessed the last couple on the first try. Not to get your, I mean, I'm feeling kind of cocky is what I'm saying.
Okay, I think you could probably have a good idea of what this product is. Let me introduce it as the most popular TikTok product right now.
Wow, okay. I'm going to guess it's like lights to put in the background. So it's not an actual product, but it's a product in TikTok. So maybe I'm being too meta.
You're absolutely right, Jessica. It is the LED strip.
I'm really...
I figured that you might know this product already, but I needed to include it on the list because this product has been all over TikTok for quite some time now. If you're a TikToker or if you're on TikTok, you've seen it before. It's the LED strip lights. It's super popular.
I want to look it up and see if anyone's doing something especially cool with this. Oh, interesting. So there's like recipes for different colors.
Exactly. So I think that's a really cool way to actually market it. And there's tons of TikToks with these LED lights that show you all the different color combinations to get like turquoise, peach, rose, softer colors. So the next product I have for you, Jessica, it's actually a plushie and it's become super viral on TikTok. It's kind of hard to guess because it's a pretty unique product. It's probably something more like the dinosaur lights.
Okay. So if it's a plushie, maybe it's like, I mean, I'm thinking of a pet toy that maybe has a little fur tail, but the ball moves and then like cats and dogs chase after it?
Close, but not exactly. Okay. So this product that's gone viral on TikTok, it's actually a plushie of an octopus.
Okay.
And it's smiling. And when you flip it around, it's not smiling, it's sad.
Oh, I have to see this.
Yeah, you might be thinking, this went viral? Yes, this went viral.
Is it I mean, these things are super cute. There's a lot of like cute stuff that's going viral.
I think that this octopus is the definition of an impulse buy product. There's absolutely no need for it. It doesn't solve any problems. This next product, Jessica. So this is actually a few different types of products, but they've been exploding on TikTok recently. And this is something that's been really popular with couples. And it's a category that we've talked about a lot. It's a category with a lot of really high margins. So do you have any guesses?
Couples jewelry.
It is couples jewelry. It is couples jewelry. However, there is a unique twist to this couples jewelry.
Oh, I don't know. I'm just thinking of like, you know, hearts that combine. Each couple has the half of the heart, you know. I don't know. But
this jewelry, lockable.
Lockable.
Yeah. So I think we all know, you know, finding somebody out there is not that easy. So when you do find them, you need to make sure to lock that up.
Yeah, you do need to make sure to lock it up. Wow. Is it as medieval as it sounds?
A little bit, yes.
Okay, let's check out the talk. Is it? It's not gonna catch on. No. I think you have to try the new slang twice, and when the reaction is that both times, it's not gonna catch on. Okay.
You never know. Show me a
I know.
So it's not necessarily jewelry that's locked together, but if you
thank
you can
God.
use like a small key on each one to like lock it to the other person.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready for the next product?
I am ready for the next product.
So this product is something that you would normally use in the bathtub, but now you're actually going to be using it in your car.
That's concerning to me. I can't. Like a rubber duck, like a loofah? Am I using a loofah? Is it a loofah as an exfoliating car seat?
You were close.
No.
It's actually a rubber duck that people are gluing to their car dashboard and then putting helmets on, sunglasses on, and different accessories on.
And this is going viral.
It's going viral. Excuse me. It has gone viral and is still going viral.
Let's check it out. Okay, I'll just go to the very first one. It comes with the glue. And it comes with all these accessories?
Yep.
Why are people doing this?
What is this? Are you ready to move on to our second last product?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Now, this product, Jessica, is something that would be in the category of two of the other products that we had already talked about today.
Okay.
It's super popular on TikTok, it's gone viral, and you can use it in your room just like two of the other products.
Okay, I'm immediately thinking of the LED lights and the projector. So like maybe this is something decorative you can use in your room. But I don't know, maybe glow-in-the-dark stickers?
Close. It's not exactly that. It's actually a starlight projector.
Oh. Okay, let's check out some of those creative TikToks then. So relaxing. Chilling in the universe.
Oh, I always get a ton of comments on where I get my lights from. And recently I've gotten a brand deal with the company. So if you use my code, which is just my name, Caitlin, you can get money off your starlight.
A little promo.
In the comment section. And if you order the lights, it makes
That's such great social proof. I always get a lot of comments. Like, who's gonna go back and double check that?
No, nobody.
That's amazing to say, though. I like it. You know what this reminds me of? You recommended that I check out some like low frequency meditation videos. I feel like I should be using a starlight projector. Actually, now that I think about it, if someone were to sell starlights, they should really pair the starlight vibe with the like meditation vibe. So this brings us to our last product.
We're at the last product.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, so this product is something that is related to the current pandemic a little bit as we're coming out of it. It's something that you can actually sell. It's something that would actually benefit people and, you know, not take advantage of the situation. So now when you go out in the everyday, you know, there's a few more things that you bring than you normally would in the past. And this is something to make it a little bit easier.
Masks.
It is not masks. It has something to do.
Disinfectant?
It is a disinfectant band.
Band?
A band.
Okay, let me check this out on TikTok. Okay, so it's like a rubber wristband with this little compartment there.
It's pretty much a sanitizer and a Fitbit in one.
Yeah. And you pour it in there. Okay. I'm curious to hear from you if you've been able to guess the products that Magda had on her list of viral products that we found on TikTok.
Please let us know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more viral products and stay on top of everything that's new, trending, and happening in e-commerce, make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, not only will you be notified of our future videos about everything from productivity tips to product ideas and marketing tutorials and motivational quotes, you'll also get to join Magda and I live every week as we discuss new product and business ideas. And until next time, TTYL DIY CEOs.